Alright, so here's these two Lennox heat pumps at the get and go place. This one's missing the logo off the front of it. Here's the other one, it's smaller. The name is completely gone off this one. There's a couple stickers on here. Get those off so I can read the serial number. Oh yeah, these are heat pumps. See the HP and the model number. And there's water on the bottom of them too. Yeah, it's just dirt and water. There's stickers on here. There we go. Look at the serial number. It appears these are from 2001. This one's a 5-ton. Let's see, this one's around the same date. This 96. Here, let me just see if I could get a better look at that. Let's see. Factory charge. Let's see if we could find the date anywhere. This looks about 96. And this one looks about, oh yeah. So that one's all worn away and this one's all just, huh. So it appears that that one's newer than this one, I guess. They have Copeland scroll compressors, because these Lennox units are known for that. There's the line set. Let's see, what filter dryer are you? Doesn't say. It's all worn away. And there's the disconnect boxes. This one appears, I guess it might have an internal filter dryer, this one here. Not sure. Here's the disconnect boxes. I've seen these before. With this style of pull out. And then this one. Oh, it's got the same pull out as the rear platform. Lennox. That's who they were serviced by. Oh yeah. The Lennox logo. Oh. I don't know if I could take that off. Could I get that? Oh wait, maybe I could. Nah. There it is. This one's a 5-ton, this one's a, what are you? It's a 4-ton. This one's a 4-ton. So yeah, a 4-ton Lennox heat pump and a 5-ton Lennox heat pump. And there's one more unit. Yup, heat pump. It says right there, heat pump care. Alrighty. Let's go to one. And there's a mystery unit up there. My dad's coming. Let's see. The one over here is a Goodman product. It's an Everrest Extreme Comfort. This one's a Goodman product. There's a Emerson scroll compressor. Broad ocean motor. 13 SEER. There's the line set work. It's kind of odd. Locked electrical box. Let's see. This one is a 3-ton, and it is from 2014. So this one's got quite a few miles on it. It's a straight cool unit. This one. If I had a Goodman logo, I'd put it on, but there it is, the logo. I'm not gonna take it or anything. Like I said, if I had a Goodman logo, I'd definitely put it on it. Oops. Oh, cool. The other thing got broken off already. Let's see if I could... Oh! It broke off. Alright. There's that very large Copeland scroll compressor. And there's the filter dryer in there. Alright, so there's the 3 units at the Get and Go place. Alright, over and out.